Thank you, Leah, very much for being in my channel.
Thank
I
you.
really appreciate it. We have so much fun today.
Don't make me look bad. Hey guys, I'm Leah. I'm a certified mechanic and this is my shop.
This is beautiful shop, Leah, with the skills mechanics. I would like to know more about you and more about this shop. How you started and how's your career going right now?
I think I always knew I wanted this place even when I was a little girl. I've had the shop now for 8.5 years and I love it. I love every day. We're growing every day. I have amazing staff and amazing people around me and obviously some amazing cars.
How you decided to open this shop and what's the hardest moment you have from beginning?
I mean, every day is hard, but the beginning, the hardest part, I think, was not having any money. I spent every single penny that I had into the shop, and it was just, you know, it's scary. Like, you don't know if you're gonna be able to pay your rent at the end of the month, or your employees, you're gonna make sure everybody's paid.
How about a team? It's really easy to find a team who will work with you.
I have been so fortunate that I had a really big following, I guess, with BMW already, and so people kind of knew my name and my reputation already before I started the shop. So me finding staff off the bat wasn't as difficult, I think, as most. It's always difficult, right? But it wasn't bad. But the hardest part was just building that clientele, letting people know that I'm here and just, you know, having faith that every day is gonna work out. I just always want the best of the best for equipment and tools and all that stuff. So just trying to make it work until you can afford those better tools and stuff. That was definitely a challenge. And I mean, it still is, right? Because technology advances and there's new tools and stuff all the time that you gotta buy. So though it's definitely still a little struggle, but I'm more comfortable now.
How about customers? I have a questions from my followers. They asking you're the woman in car industry. They trust you right away or it needs a struggling?
It's funny, like I don't think of myself being different because like this is just all I've known. And it's weird to me sometimes when I still get those questions or those phone calls or people like, you know, asked to talk to a man and I'm like, you're calling Leah's, like it just doesn't make sense. That is sad that some places in the world women can't even drive still. Like
Iran, for example, other countries, because I am personally really trust Leah Automotive shop because I don't want to fix these vehicles. It's ridiculous expensive and you must to have a special knowledge, special tools. It's not like a Toyota. Toyota you can fix with a 10 mil, 14 and 17. With a BMW you need to have a more knowledge and definitely more
tools and stuff. And that was one of the things that really drew me to BMW as well, is you can't really fix it in your backyard. You need tools and equipment to do that. And I kind of like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Toyotas and Chevys still are kind of like my happy place on the weekends, you know?
Yeah, so with Toyota extremely easy. If you disconnect the negative battery, all codes gone, that's it. You're fixed already. And with BMW, you probably can make more money. Because at Toyota, $4,000, it's a lot of money. It's like engine job. I bring a BMW X5 for you and $4,000, it's basically replaced.
I think we did your drive shaft.
Drive shaft, drive shaft, $4,000, like done.
You know, it's not really about the money for me, and I've never started my career about money. It was just about the passion and the passion for motorsports that I have. And I love to go fast, and the way BMWs handle is just like nothing else.
What about Audi?
I like Audi.
Audi handling pretty good.
Yeah, it's true. I just live and breathe BMW now, so that's what I know.
You have this shop already for 8 years, but how much money you need for a start your business in Vancouver, like your private shop?
That's a kind of a tough question because I mean, you can start a shop with one hoist and a couple tools. Do you want 4 bays? Do you want staff? Do you want to just build some cool custom cars in your garage, you know, because that you could still call that a shop. Average cost of a hoist here in BC anyway is about $5,000. So you need a hoist and you need some tools. That I would say that would be the bare bones minimum. Housing's really expensive here in Vancouver. I kind of was like, either I'm gonna stay in a job that, you know, is okay and try to buy a house I can't afford, or just put everything into my shop. And that's
And you're happy about your decision, what you did?
I'm so happy with my decision. I
This
love
is
it.
really important. How you see your shop in 10 years? You would like to have a multiples Leah's Automotive shop in Canada, or maybe even go further in America?
Yeah, totally. I would love a bigger shop. I'd love my own building so I can spend a little bit more money on, like, you know, floors and just make it a little bit more tip top. But I'm at capacity. Like, we can't keep up. I turn down so many clients already, which is really sad. And we're all busting our butts here all day long. Like, there's not a shortage. So yeah, 100%. I would love to do something bigger so we can help out more people and do more cool things.
2 filters?
Yeah, and they're $400 each.
No. 1 second. $400 each oil filter for Ferrari?
Yeah.
It's a crazy. No, it's a regular Toyota Corolla filter.
You know, they're like $370 or something Canadian.
Okay, I got it. Leah, what's the most expensive tools do you get?
Well, actually, it wasn't the tools. It was my toolbox was probably the most expensive thing. Besides like my testers and my like electronic programming. This was definitely the most expensive.
How much? Tell us the price. How much?
Don't tell my dad. Top, bottom with the topper was about $22K.
$22,000.
Yeah, but the drawers are really deep.
Seriously, it's Toyota Corolla right here.
But the drawers are really deep and it's really nice. And I got a power drawer too, where I can charge everything. So, you know.
And you ordered a special color, or it's like?
Yeah, anodized pink. It was an option.
It's an option.
Yeah. Snap-on's been pretty good at doing some pink stuff lately, so it's really awesome. I also told the Snap-on rep, because I wasn't born with a dick, I wanted the biggest dick toolbox that I could get. Something where you walk in and it's like, that's a big dick.
I will send you when I will cutting, and you will say you want to leave it this or not. Okay.
Turning this into a manual transmission, making it gated. So yeah, it's fun. I'm having a lot of fun doing that.
What is your favorite car working on? BMW or Ferrari, Lamborghini?
I think I love Ferrari and Lambo because there's not much information on them and you really just have to figure it out. And I kind of like that. Like you said though, it's definitely not a money maker. I'd make more money working on Toyota, but I'm not in this to make a ton of money. I'm in this for fun.
How many technicians do you have right now working for you?
I have 5 techs.
All guys?
One girl.
One girl.
One girl. She's my mini me.
Mini you.
Yeah, she's a mini me.
How old she is?
She's 20.
20?
20.
And she decided to be a mechanic, right?
Yeah, she actually was skipping school and coming to see me and lied to me about it. Yeah, she loves the shop.
Electric cars more coming and coming. What do you think, what's happening with your industry in 10 or 15 years?
I think it's gonna be closer to like 30 personally. I don't think the infrastructure is there. I think electric cars do more harm for the environment. I don't think it's the end of the gas-powered engine. I really don't think that. And if for whatever reason, if it is, we still have 30 years of fixing classic cars, right? Yeah. So there's always gonna be people who love that smell and that power.
Leah, what is your dream car? What is the car you would like to have on the rest of your life, basically?
That's probably the one question I can't answer, because I love them all. I love all the cars. Right now, my dream car is my M4 Competition. I love that car. It's just so balanced. It's so responsive. It's amazing. I love that machine so much.
What's the car you have before?
My last fun car was E60 M5, the V10.
V10, nice one. What's your first car?
My first car was a truck, and it was a K5 Blazer that I jacked up, and I painted the chassis pink and the bumper pink, and I called it my Barbie truck. Because when I was a little girl, I always wanted one of those Barbie Jeeps, but my family they just told me I couldn't have one. I'm sure they couldn't afford one. And so I built my own.
Also, Leah, I heard you have a nail salon. How you jump from car shop to nail salon? How it's happening?
I always thought you could still look good and still work on a car. It's totally fine. And then it kind of stemmed because everyone always wanted to hang out in the shop with me, and I couldn't get anything done. So I figured if I start a nail salon, people can go hang out at the nail salon and relax and get a manicure while they get their car work done.
Let's go maybe check this out for a little excursion.
Love to show you. So this is where my magic happens. Actually, I think the magic's in the shop, but this is some talent because I cannot do art. I can't even draw a stick man. So yeah, these girls are talented, and this is definitely where some magic happens. I tried to tie in a little bit of the shop, put a little poster of how the shop used to look like in there. My wrench, my sparkly spanner. So just a few things to tie it in. Motors and manicures is the slogan. Environment where you can come hang out, get your nails done, guys come and hang. It's where all the gossip and the drama is over here, so we can keep that out of the shop.
No, it's really good here. And you know what I would like to mention, the smell here, not like in other salon. I'm not feel lots of fabric smell or stuff like this.
Yeah.
Why, you're using everything organic?
Everything is organic, everything is single use, everything's top of the line, the way I run the shop, same thing here. So you're getting the best of the best, you're not getting products that are gonna kill you. I mean, they might, but long term.
But Leah, don't me wrong, it's completely different businesses, right?
Yeah.
Car shop and nail salon. What's the first coming in your mind? Open car shop or nail salon?
Oh, car shop.
Car shop.
I live and breathe cars, that's my thing. The nail salon's definitely an afterthought, but I thought motors and manicures sounds cool. So,
yeah, it's a really good idea for a business.
Yeah, it's totally different. It's totally different clientele. It's totally different dealing with a lot of women. I've never really dealt with that many women before, so that's some new challenges between the customers and the employees. I have amazing staff over here too. Actually, one of my girls here, we used to be a welder, and she got into a welding accident. She broke her back, and so she started doing nails. And she's the coolest, one of the coolest chicks I've ever met. And so
okay, she from the wildest come to the nail salon.
Yeah, so it's awesome, and she's such an incredible welder. She'll still come in the shop and help us sometimes.
But it's really good for your employees. If something even happening like in this scenario, she still can working with you, but in nail industry.
Totally.
Yeah,
it's really cool. It's such a cool vibe here.
How much it's 0 to 60?
3.8.
Okay, it's really big. Yeah.
The other thing that's the competition has, I forgot to stop at that stop sign. Okay. The other thing that the competition has compared to the regular M4 is that it's a true four-wheel drive. So we'll actually lock up.
What's the sound of this for?
Oh,
sounds really sketchy.
Sounds like I'm out of gas.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a normal for me.
So this is a true four-wheel drive, not like an all-wheel drive. I can switch it from the rear-wheel drive to a true four-wheel drive, and it actually locks it up like how a four-wheel drive
If you would like to have some fun and drifting, like donuts, you can do a rear-wheel drive.
Yeah, and I really want to go try ice drifting in the four-wheel drive. I think that would be a ton of fun.
This one of my followers asked how much you make per customer.
Like my average repair bill.
Yes.
My average repair bill is $1,000. So, and I tell every client, like, just things add up so quickly. So to get to $1,000 is like it happens really fast.
You know,
how much you make from $1,000 bills?
Oh, I mean, it depends.
It depends.
It
It's
depends
hard
on
to
the
tell.
parts.
Yeah, it depends how much your parts, how much your labor.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's hard to tell.
Mm-hmm.
If you want book appointment with Leah Automotive shop, in description below you will see all information. Do you want to add something? Maybe you feel you would like to say something. Oh, okay. 1 second.
Follow your dreams.
No. Well, you say follow your dreams for what? You want to say this?
No.
You obviously are perfect. I'm a soul in this situation. Okay. People don't say I'm fat? Yeah. Oh, really? Wait.